Why, when in Python, does x equals y call y dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore x? The Python docs clearly state that x equals y calls x dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore y. However, it seems that under many circumstances, the opposite is true. Where is it documented when or why this happens, and how can I work out for sure whether my objects underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore or underscore underscore eq underscore underscore methods are going to get called? Edit, just to clarify, I know that underscore underscore eq underscore underscore is called in preferently to underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore, but I'm not clear why y dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore x is called in preference to x dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore y, when the latter is what the docs state will happen. Edit, from Mark Dickinson's answer and comment it would appear that rich comparison overrides underscore underscore cmp underscore 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 eq underscore underscore is its own underscore underscore rop underscore underscore to its underscore underscore op underscore underscore, and similar for underscore underscore lt underscore 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 ge underscore underscore, etc. If the left object is a built-in or new style class, and the right is a subclass of it, the right object's underscore underscore rop underscore underscore is tried before the left object's underscore underscore op underscore underscore. This explains the behavior in the teststrcmp examples. Teststrcmp is a subclass of str but doesn't implement its own underscore underscore eq underscore underscore, so the underscore underscore eq underscore underscore of str takes precedence in both cases, i.e. tsc equals b calls b dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore tsc as an underscore underscore rop underscore underscore because of rule 1. In the teststrc examples, tsc dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore is called in both instances because teststrc is a subclass of str and so it is called in preference. In the testec examples, testec implements underscore underscore eq underscore underscore and int doesn't, so underscore underscore eq underscore underscore gets called both times, rule 1. But I still don't understand the very first example with testcmp. TC is not a subclass on int, so effect 1 dot underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore TC should be called, but isn't.
Is this not documented in the language reference? Just from a quick look there, it looks like underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore is ignored when underscore underscore eq underscore 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 lt underscore underscore, etc. are defined. I'm understanding that to include the case where underscore underscore eq underscore underscore is defined on a parent class. str dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore is already defined, so underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore on its subclasses will be ignored. Object dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore etc. are not defined, so underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore on its subclasses will be honored. In response to the clarify question, I know that underscore underscore eq underscore underscore is called in preference to underscore underscore cmp underscore underscore, but I'm not clear why y underscore underscore eq underscore underscore x is called in preference to x underscore underscore eq underscore underscore y, when the latter is what the docs state will happen. Docs say x dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore y will be called first, but it has the option to return not implemented, in which case y dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore x is called. I'm not sure why you're confident something different is going on here. Which case are you specifically puzzled about? I'm understanding you just to be puzzled about the b equals tsc and tsc equals b cases, correct? In either case, str dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore one thing, other thing, is being called. Since you don't override the underscore underscore eq underscore underscore method in teststrcmp, eventually you're just relying on the base string method and it's saying the objects aren't equal. Without knowing the implementation details of str dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore, I don't know whether b dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore tsc will return not implemented and give tsc a chance to handle the equality test. But even if it did, the way you have teststrcmp defined, you're still going to get a false result. So it's not clear what you're seeing here. That's unexpected. Perhaps what's happening is that Python is preferring underscore underscore EQ underscore underscore to underscore underscore CMP underscore underscore if it's defined on either of the objects being compared, whereas you were expecting underscore underscore CMP underscore underscore on the leftmost object to have priority over underscore underscore EQ underscore underscore on the right-hand object. Is that it?
Actually, in the docs, it states underscore underscore CMP underscore underscore is C, all led by comparison operations if rich comparison, see above, is not defined. Underscore underscore EQ underscore underscore is a rich comparison method and, in the case of test, is not defined, hence the calling of underscore underscore CMP underscore underscore.
You're missing a key exception to the usual behavior. When the right-hand operand is an instance of a subclass of the class of the left-hand operand, the special method for the right-hand operand is called first. See the documentation at this URL. And in particular, the following two paragraphs. For objects x and y, first x dot underscore underscore op underscore underscore y is tried. If this is not implemented or returns not implemented, y dot underscore underscore rop underscore underscore x is tried. If this is also not implemented or returns not implemented, a type error exception is raised. But see the following exception to the previous item. If the left operand is an instance of a built-in type or a new style class, and the right operand is an instance of a proper subclass of that type or class and overrides the basis underscore underscore rop underscore underscore method, the right operand's underscore underscore rop underscore underscore method is tried before the left operand's underscore underscore op underscore underscore method.